By changing the placement and size of the features, we can draw the same character in different ages. Draw a circle and a center line. Place the eyes lower on the circle. This makes the lower face shorter compared to the big round upper head and forehead. Add chubby cheeks to the lower part of the face. Then there are the brows, nose, mouth, and ears. As the baby grows into a little kid, I draw the same size eyes but make the eyebrows a little bolder. I draw a longer lower face compared to the baby's cheeks. I also enlarge the features to match the new face size. As the little kid grows into an older kid, I draw the same eyes again, but the eyebrows get even bolder. I draw a soft jaw that's longer than before, and the features spread out a little more too. As the older kid becomes a teen, I keep the same eyes but shape the brows a bit more. The face gets a bit longer, the jaw is more defined but still have some roundness, and the features become bigger and more spread out. As the teen grows into a young adult, I adjust the eyes to be less round and make the brows thicker. The jaw gets bigger and look more structured. I also enlarge the nose, mouth, and ears to match the age. For an older adult, I make the eyes droopier and lower the brows. The jaw is softer and less defined. I lower the nose and mouth and draw tiny wrinkles. And of course, a suitable hairstyle for each age makes the drawing even more relatable. By making the features more delicate and softening the jaw in older ages, and trying different hairstyles, you can easily transform these into female characters. If you had fun, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy drawing tips. See you in the next video.